This tiny little device is a quarter of the size, a fraction of the weight, and it can produce even more sound than the most expensive big Bluetooth speakers. Anything speaker attaches to virtually anything, turning it into a vibrating loudspeaker with amazing sound. It uses bone conduction technology, which resonates in the object. The bigger the object, the bigger the sound. I found one pocket-sized Bluetooth speaker, but it was insanely expensive, and it didn't deliver that great of quality. You can attach it to all sorts of objects. Home appliances, your car, furniture. The bigger the object, the louder the sound. It even comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, so you can try it risk-free. It has 4.79 star rating and 95% positive reviews. Anything speaker is better than any Bluetooth speaker you'll try. You have to try it. With this pocket speaker, I can finally enjoy movies, music, calls, everything at full volume. So get this little speaker, the anything speaker, attach it to any object, hence the name, and it turns that object into a vibrating loudspeaker with amazing sound. I literally don't even understand how it works, but it's amazing. I even bought an attachment for my phone that's supposed to amplify the sound a little bit, but it didn't really do much, and it made the sound like really bad, and it was ugly. So you could attach it to like any object. The fridge, your car, the washing machine, your brother. Bruh. Okay, maybe not living people. And yes, like all good products, it does come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, so you can try it risk-free. Also, wait, I'm checking online right now. It literally has a 4.79 star rating with 95% positive reviews. Like 10 of those were me, but you know, still. The anything speaker is way better than your phone speaker. You've got to try it. This brilliant little device is so fun for kids, but it's useful for us too. We borrow it all the time. Anything speaker attaches to virtually any object and turns it into a vibrating loudspeaker with amazing sound. The anything speaker uses bone conduction technology, which resonates in the object. The bigger the object, the bigger the sound. I found one small Bluetooth speaker, but it was so expensive and it just didn't have the sound quality that I wanted. Come with me and check out how amazing this thing sounds. It even comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, so you can easily try it risk-free. It has a 4.79 rating with 95% positive reviews. This little anything speaker gives you booming music wherever you go. You seriously have to try it.
Anything speaker. This is one of those speakers. You put it on stuff and it makes the music loud. What? An anything speaker? Hold on. Connect 2 at once. My God, I might have to get another one. What sounds best? A piano, a guitar, the shower, kayak, box, toilet, trash bin? What do you think is gonna sound the best? Which one? Have you ever heard one of these before? Which one sounds the best? Tell me, I want to know, because I don't know, but we're going to find out. Okay? Accessories inside. What's in here? Hold on, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, okay. Sticky, says anything speaker. An extra little sticky thing. There's a suction cup that I just threw. There's suction cups, so you can change it. There's a thing so you don't lose it if you want to go somewhere. Charging cable. Oh, y'all are on it. The instructions is in there. Let's get the instructions, 'cause I don't know what the hell I'm doing. We're going to do this together. Okay, hold the power button until you hear power on. All right, we are connected. There's this little like sticky thing that you can take off on the bottom to make it like stick to stuff. Oh, okay, we're gonna do this together. Y'all ready? We can't be closer. I'll keep those games 1,000 times. You can leave your heart at the door and let me love before you get the days we together. I do. This is the most awesomest fucking thing I've ever had in my whole entire life.
They don't make you good, they only love you at your best. Come and crash when you like to breathe. Walk this.